Welcome to our latest video on women's health matters. At CVS Health, we believe that healthier happens together, and that's why we're dedicated to providing valuable information and resources to support the health and well-being of women everywhere. Today, we're going to be discussing the importance of women's health and how we can work together to make sure that every woman has access to the care and support she needs. In recent years, the topic of women's health has gained more attention and recognition in the media and healthcare industry. However, there is still a long way to go in terms of addressing the unique health needs and concerns of women. In this video, we will be discussing the importance of women's health and how CVS Health is working to improve the healthcare experience for women through their HERE program. The HERE program is a comprehensive approach to women's health that focuses on education, prevention, and access to care. Through this program, CVS Health is working to empower women to take control of their health and make informed decisions about their care. The program offers a wide range of resources, including health screenings, educational materials, and access to a network of healthcare professionals. One of the key components of the HERE program is the focus on education. CVS Health believes that knowledge is power when it comes to women's health and is dedicated to providing women with the information they need to make informed decisions about their care. This includes information on a wide range of topics, such as menopause, contraception, and cancer screenings. Another important aspect of the HERE program is the focus on prevention. CVS Health understands that prevention is the key to maintaining good health and is committed to helping women take steps to prevent illnesses and diseases. This includes offering health screenings and providing information on how to reduce risk factors for conditions such as heart disease and diabetes. Finally, the HERE program is committed to providing women with access to care. This includes offering convenient health services, such as health screenings and vaccinations, as well as providing women with access to a network of healthcare professionals. CVS Health understands that access to care is essential for maintaining good health and is dedicated to helping women get the care they need. Overall, the HERE program is a comprehensive approach to women's health that is dedicated to empowering women to take control of their health and make informed decisions about their care. Through education, prevention, and access to care, CVS Health is working to improve the healthcare experience for women. So, learn more about the HERE program and join us in the journey of empowering women's health matters together. Thank you for watching our video on women's health matters. We hope that you found the information we shared today to be informative and valuable. Remember, at CVS Health, we believe that healthier happens together, and we're here to support you on your journey to better health. If you have any questions or comments, please leave them below, and be sure to subscribe to our channel for more videos like this one. Together, we can make a difference in the lives of women everywhere.